Have you noticed that AI agents are everywhere? Could this be a problem? Agents are helping us write emails, automate workflows, and even build applications. As these agents multiply, so do the risks. Shadow IT, data leaks, rogue agents. Doesn't this sound familiar? Microsoft just dropped a game changer for the agent world. It's called Microsoft Agent 365. This isn't just another AI tool, it's the control plane for your entire agent ecosystem. Let's break down what this means for you. Hi, everyone. Welcome back. In this episode of What's New with Microsoft, I'll provide our first look into one of Microsoft's newest offerings, Agent 365. For anyone who's new here, my name is Wade Walker. I'm the Vice President of our Microsoft Alliance at Sourcepass MCOE. In my role, my goal is to make the Microsoft ecosystem easier to use and help everyone get the most out of it while also saving money. Microsoft Agent 365 was announced a few weeks ago at Microsoft Ignite 2025. Today, we're going to discuss these topics centered around Agent 365. First, what is Agent 365? Second, why in the world do we need a service to manage agents? Third, we're going to discuss the 5 core capabilities that make Agent 365 essential, including its integration with Microsoft 365 and non-Microsoft ecosystems. And then fourth, we're going to hit on the business impacts on what's next for AI governance. If you're an IT leader, security pro, or just curious about the future of AI in the workplace, stick around. This is big. So, what is Microsoft Agent 365? Agent 365 is Microsoft's new control plane for AI agents. Think of it as a dashboard for every agent in your organization, whether built in Copilot Studio, Azure AI Foundry, or even third-party platforms like ServiceNow, Adobe, and more. Each agent gets its own unique Microsoft Entra Agent ID, which means that you can manage it like you manage user accounts. Think of it this way: identity, lifecycle management, and access control, all in the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. You might be asking yourself, well, why does this matter? Why do we need a service to manage AI agents? If you recall from my previous episode, the number of agents in the world is exploding. IDC, a research organization, predicts 1.3 billion agents globally by 2028. That's right, billion with a B. In fact, I've made multiple agents. Have you? Without governance of agents in the business world, you have a growing risk of shadow IT, shadow AI, compliance failures, security breaches, and more. Agent 365 solves this by giving you, your IT team, your security teams, and more visibility, control, and compliance, all using the same tools you already trust: the Microsoft 365 Admin Center, Microsoft Defender, Purview, Entra, and more. Let's discuss the 5 core capabilities of Agent 365. First is the Agent 365 registry. This registry contains a complete inventory of all agents, including agents you don't know about, which are considered shadow agents. Second, each agent is assigned a sponsor or an owner, which allows for standardization of agents, including ongoing management with you and the owners. And then third is a discovery feature to give you visibility of agents across ecosystems, including non-Microsoft agents. Second is access control. With access control, you can enforce least privilege access and conditional policies. In addition, you can quarantine non-approved agents, which I think is pretty cool. And then lastly, you can enable policy enforcement from the Microsoft 365 Admin Center to define who can create, onboard, and manage agents. Third is security. You can extend Microsoft Defender for threat protection of all agents. You can also leverage Microsoft Purview and its data safeguards to block risky agent behavior, including data loss prevention. This results in a unified incident response solution leveraging existing Microsoft 365 services that you're already using today. Fourth is visualization. Agent 365 has dashboards and telemetry for real-time observability, and it also has alerts to monitor agent performance. There are role-specific views for reporting and audit requirements, and there is a connection mapping of agents to people and the data to assist with overall agent management. And the fifth of the core capabilities we're discussing today is that Agent 365 works with Microsoft native agents, which is no surprise, but it also works with third-party agents, including open source agents. There's integration with productivity apps, think Outlook, Teams, Excel as well, to assist with your human-agent workflows. And then lastly, there is a context connection with Work IQ as well as MCP alignment. Now that we've discussed the what and the why, as well as the 5 core capabilities, let's discuss the business impacts of Agent 365. First, Agent 365 gives you centralized management and governance for all agents. Second, Agent 365 allows for extending Microsoft Defender and Microsoft Purview protections to all AI agents. And then third, Agent 365 enables you and your organization to scale AI adoption safely using the Microsoft tools that you're already using today. So, what do you think? Is Microsoft Agent 365 the missing piece for scaling AI agents in your organization? Thanks again for joining us. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And please share your comments and subscribe for more insights on AI and all things Microsoft. In addition, if you're interested in learning more about this or anything else related to Microsoft, please go to our website at sourcepassmcoe.com to learn more and chat with one of our experts. Join us next time when we jump into another episode of What's New with Microsoft. Thank you again for watching this episode. Have a great day.